2023 for Continental globally is very exciting year. So this was a year where after 2-3 years of COVID, probably first normal year for all of us. So thanks for that. We are growing in 2023 versus previous year. You can see the financial results of Continental. We have improved significantly versus 2022. In India, the results are same. So we are growing versus previous year. We have introduced new products in 2022, in 2023. Few features, if you want to ask me, is the intelligent tires for commercial vehicles. So you see 295 ATR 22.5, which is a tubeless tire, and we have introduced an intelligent system into this. There's a tire which comes with a sensor inside it, and these sensors can basically tell about the temperature, pressure, and how many kilometers tire has done. So this empowered a fleet owner sitting in his or her office to know the tire condition, and that increases the mileage up to 20% and the fuel economy up to 3%. The latest you can see here is a cross contact HT that we are launching now, and on this track day. This tire was initially introduced to the market in Q3 of this year, and since then we are bringing in new sizes, yet not complete, and we'll bring more size into this. This tire will come into 18 different articles we have, coming from 15 to 18-inch sizes, and the unique feature I can tell you is alignment indicators. So generally we have customers who face a problem of tire alignment. So we have alignment indicators on this tire which can give early warning signals if the alignment is wrong. The Continental journey in India started in 2011. I would say for knowing Indian market, we started our journeys way back in 1975. So where we gave a technical collaboration with Modi's for truck tires in 75. But in 2011, we actually took over the entire business, the shareholding from Modi's, and 100% shareholding belongs to Continental now since 2011. That was a time when Modipuram plant in India was producing only truck and bus bias tires. And then we introduced our truck and bus radial tires, and then we also introduced our passenger car tires in Modipuram plant. Since then, we are investing into this plant, bringing in new sizes, new patterns, both in commercial vehicle size and passenger vehicle size. Okay, as we normally say, India is under construction. So when I say India is under construction, we are building almost 40 kilometers of new roads, highways in India. Yeah. It also means all these long highways going thousands of kilometers do still have patches which are still under construction. So which means all our tires which a customer is driving are going on highways, as well as it has some regional component into it. So these are the tires which are basically meant to, which can be driven both on highways and regional component, as I said. Number two, this brings the safety features. The tagline of Continental globally and also in India is safety and comfort of our customers. So these tires do come with low rolling resistance and also a lot of comfort factors for our consumers. As I said, one of the key indicators here, one of the key pain points of the customers is they do not get whether the tire alignment is right or wrong. So now in this cross contact HT, customers can see the tire alignment indicators, which gives the early warning signal if the alignment is wrong. So when it comes to product, we are using our channel partners as our channel to educate our customers. So we have a lot of point of sales material which our channel partners are displaying, talking more about our product. We have some bites which we are using. We are using Facebook and LinkedIn and other media basically to educate our customers about our product. Another concern which is more about safety, and you talked about how the customers are being aware about safety. Customers are basically getting more and more educated. They are getting more and more aware and more demanding. That brings a good challenge for all of us. So when they become demanding, we are basically able to build those tires which fulfill the demand of our customers. That's number one. Second is more about safety. This is something which is a matter of concern for all of us. We at Continental India are committed to create that safety awareness for our consumers. So to create this safety awareness for our consumers, we are participating into different platforms. So Leaders of Road Transport is a platform where we are basically facilitating some of the road transporters, commercial vehicle transporters, for playing a vital role into creating this safety awareness. Then we have participated into a platform which is called Road to Safety, where we are creating those safety awareness. We have some news bites which are going to our consumers about all those safety. So we are committed to create the safety awareness along with our product awareness to our consumers. As I said, we at Continental, everything that we are basically driven by quality, by innovation, and by excellence. So anything that we design in our R&D has to be has to have a safety factor into it. That's our prime requirement. And once we talk of safety, we also talk of sustainability. So sustainability means what? Either we use a sustainable material or we use tires which has a low rolling resistance, and once the low rolling resistance leads to a lower fuel consumption and lower carbon emission from the cars. So that's how we basically save the environment as well. This goes in all our tires, including cross contact HT. The additional feature that I have talked about in cross contact HT is these alignment indicators, which is the biggest pain point we see normally in Indian customers. They do not get to know whether the tire alignment is right or wrong, and sometimes they don't get even a time to go to an alignment center and get the tire tested, the alignment tested. At least they can look at the tire and see with this tire indicators, the alignment indicators, about the tire condition or the alignment condition. Continental globally, what we have started doing, we have started using recycled PET bottles to produce polyester, which is one of the component into tires. So that's one thing. If I have to talk about our global vision of sustainability in tires, we say by 2030, 40% of our flagship products would be 100% carbon neutral, and by 2050, all our products would be 100% carbon neutral. And we are committed to fulfill this vision. India is going to be a 10 trillion economy by end of this decade, which means what? It means that India is one of the fastest growing sustainable economy in the world. And this is happening on various fronts. This is happening, if you see the infrastructure development across India, I talked about 40 kilometers of new roads being built every day. There, Gramin Sadak Yojana is something that government has initiated to connect villages with cities. Then we have projects ongoing to connect all the ports. What does it all mean? It all means how can we increase the safer mobility and improve the logistical efficiency. All these infrastructure will only increase the road transportation in India. And secondly, coming to the new trends, if you see the new trends from smaller cars, now India is moving towards the more premium sedans and SUVs. So the car sizes are going bigger and the tire sizes are also going bigger. The trend you see in the automotive industry, the three key trends which I can talk about is automation, electrification and digitization is something which is driving the entire automotive industry. The kind of connected cars we see now, we have never even assumed few years back, and that this autonomous mobility will only take a new shapes in coming years. So we as a tire company, we are committed to take up all those challenges and develop all those products which are aligned with these changing trends of automotive industry. So we talked about digitization in our commercial vehicle tires with these tires. We are talking about electric vehicle tires. So all our tires which we are producing, including cross contact HT, are suitable for electric vehicles. So these tires are basically tires with low rolling resistance, low noises, which are the key requirements for any electric